You won't believe the sheer power of nature captured in this single moment. Witness a magnificent humpback whale launch itself completely out of the water. In a breathtaking breach, this incredible display of strength and agility sends seabirds scattering and creates a tidal wave of a splash. Scientists believe whales breach for various reasons: to communicate with others over long distances, to remove parasites from their skin, or sometimes just for the pure joy of it. As this giant crashes back into the ocean, you can truly feel the immense energy of one of the planet's largest creatures. It's a powerful reminder of the wild and wonderful world beneath the waves. If this left you in awe, hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible wildlife moments.